Today it's the 30th of June 2023. We have Plankgatan 34 here in Norrköping, Östergötland, Sweden. The capacity is 3 buses of 2.5 grams. Built in 1939 originally.
Yeah.
Beautiful cab, very beautiful, but it's been modernized as if it was replaced in 1986, almost replaced.
Yeah.
Since you finished there. So yeah, it was modernized in 1986. Or almost replaced then. Also, she turned 35 years old in 2021. Well, maybe 2 rides because we know the years.
Yeah.
Number is 19413.
Niissä teet paikki vain, että me teen paikki Kone.
But the machine doesn't really sound like 1986. Partly, but then
Yeah.
it sounds like another upgrade around 2000.
No, I don't know.
Or this is late 1986, but yeah. But yeah, the machine also sounds like 1986,
Yeah.
also, but also like 2000 or late 90s.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
The